Oh, hello there, Freddy, Bonnie, Chica, and Foxy. Hello there, Orville. Nice to meet you. And we have Rudolph and Clarice. Yep, they're here to see you. Really? That's great. So, who are you two?
My name's Rudolph. Hi.
Hello there, Rudolph. And who are you?
My name's Clarice. Hi.
Hi, Clarice. Cool, what's this? It's a Zig Zag game. Zig Zag game, huh? Geez, sounds fun. So, how do you play? You can choose either background white or dark. How convenient is that? I'll go with light. So here we go. Now remember, Orville, the more you concentrate, the better it might become. Ooh, 34. That's good. Good score. Alright, let's try again. Okay, Orville, do you got this? I'm pretty sure I do, Bonnie. Oh, almost made it. Try that again. There we go. Now, it's all about timing. You'll have to time just right, otherwise you'll fall. Oh yeah, I see. Do you think you got this? Pretty sure, Chica. Let's see if I get the highest score. There's yellow, green. So every time you collect diamonds, it'll give you some points. Really cool. Okay, so pay attention, Orville. I am. Whoa! 41? That's good. Okay, one more try. We'll put on dark this time, so that way so I can see. There we go. Doing well. You're doing great, Orville. Yeah. Keep this up, and you're doing great. I'll try my best. And away we go. Every time you collect diamonds, it gives you more points than ever. I have to be careful not to fall off the edge. Otherwise, the game's over. Ooh, blue. Blue looks nice. There's gray. Wow! 234 points. That's good. Yeah, very good try. Yeah, that's a good try. But you're still doing great. Yep. So you see, it takes a little bit of concentrate, and eventually you'll become really good at this game. Thanks, everyone. And you too, Rudolph and Clarice. So anyways, guys, what do you think about this game of Zig Zag. It's fun and entertaining. So anyways, we hope that you enjoy the video. Be sure, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And that will help us out. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.